All right, track fans, let's rewind the clock. On this very day, May 31st, Jamaican excellence shone bright on the world stage. We're talking about a moment that solidified our place as a relay force. Picture this: Nassau, Bahamas, the inaugural IAAF World Relays in 2014. Our incredible women's 4x100m team stepped onto the track ready to dominate. The lineup was pure fire: Shelly-Ann, Fraser-Pryce, Kerron, Stewart, Anisha McLaughlin, and Shaloni Calvert. Four powerhouses united for one goal. They ran with incredible energy, precision, and perfect chemistry. Baton exchanges were flawless, speed was unmatched. They didn't just compete, they commanded the track. They stormed to victory in a blistering 41.88 seconds. That wasn't just a win, it was a new championship record set right there in the Bahamas. This performance was a powerful statement to the world. It proved Jamaica wasn't only about individual sprint glory. We were a unified, unstoppable relay powerhouse. This victory truly ignited a golden era for Jamaican relays on the international stage. It showcased our depth, teamwork, and unwavering spirit, a moment of immense pride for the island of speed. This has been This Day in Jamaican Sports History, powered by All Sports Jamaica. Subscribe for more iconic track moments and stories from our incredible athletes. Give a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share, and leave a comment. Remember to watch the other episodes of This Day in Jamaican Sports.